about to anyway. Yeah, I'm finna go jump in this old beast. I mean this Caprice. Oh, Caprice did this thing. Y'all check it out. 223. No time PT. Oh. I spit a little check. Oh, yeah. Getting baby ready, y'all. Mustang. Okay. Uh-oh, he finna race him about this 5.0. Okay. Love the road by in the lanes. Okay. Okay. Alright, y'all, we back. I'm glad it did it right now instead of in between the paths. I can get this beside me, but I couldn't beat him. All right, have a good night, man. Well, I like the way this thing runs, boy. Going on over here, y'all. Probably gonna ride the Yello Belly. Yello Belly might got something going. Let's see what they gonna do right here. What they gonna do? They ain't gonna do nothing. Huh? They ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, okay. Well, hell, I might as well. I told everyone of them I grudge them. Nobody wanna grudge me. Damn, man, I'm tired of you doing that shit. I'm tired of this weak motherfucker. I'm serious, bro. Damn. This weak motherfucker getting on my nerves. I'm finna go to Yello Belly. Yello Belly? Yeah. What they doing over there? I don't know. I'm finna go see. Oh, okay. What's up with it? Yeah, that's where I'm going. What it look like? You don't know? I don't know. Let me know. You finna go live? Yeah, I'm live now. Oh, you live? Look at this. Ooh, yeah, that do something. See, this that stuff. I got some. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna see your shit. Alright. Alright, y'all, they ain't finna do nothing, so they turn off the lights. Oh, snap. Oh, I can get through here, though, kinda. Yello Belly, yeah, man, y'all taxing for the old hot chocolate, man. To the good be good. Everybody know the good to be good. Everybody know that good, here we go. Yeah, we headed to the good, yeah, we headed to the good. We headed to the good for the good. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.